Those are frogs I hear, Lincoln? Come on, babe. Come show me the frogs. This way, honey. Lincoln, over here. Oh my goodness, they're noisy.
Where are the frogs, Link?
Boy, that doesn't sound like ribbit, ribbit, does it? Lincoln, what do you hear? Where are the frogs? Oh, I see them. Lincoln, today's your birthday. Can you tell me how old you are? Yeah, those are loud frogs.
Are they talking to you, Lincoln?
Lincoln, how old are you today? Lincoln, tell the camera how old you are. All right, he doesn't want to. Hold on, let me get Ian.
Lincoln, be careful. Be careful.
And here's baby E. He just ate. I fed him in the grass. Yeah, and he wants to keep moving, so bye-bye.